Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. We have two lip colors that we're going to try today. All right, if you'd like to see which colors these are, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So I have two colors here. One is HBIC and one is the MVP. So you can see this one is a darker red and this one's supposed to be a brighter red. So let's start with the darker one because I think I want to wear the brighter one today. The packaging is really beautiful. You can see the FENTY logo there. And then I love the clear acrylic FB at the top for Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna have my little Cupid's bow. All right, let's go ahead and try this. Okay. At first swipe, it does look very velvety. I do like that look. The applicator is nice as well. You can see it has a point to it, an angle to it, and like a curve. So you can very precisely line your lips. I usually like to do a couple coats of color just to make sure it will last. It feels creamy, but not overly creamy. But just pressing my lips together, it does feel creamy. I'm gonna blot. As you can see, sorry I didn't have any tissue. As you can see, there is some transfer there, so although there's still some color as well, so very comfortable. Let's go ahead and try the MVP color. I'm just using some makeup remover to remove that. As you can see, even with the makeup remover, there is still some stain there. Try to get most of it off for the second color. I also have my foundation brush here handy. You know, removing lipstick, you are going to remove some makeup as well. So we're just going to touch that up. Go over my lips, try to start with the blank canvas. And I gotta have my Cupid's bow. All right, let's go into the MVP and see what that is like. Okay, and that's how that one looks. Definitely a brighter red. Let me hold both of these together so you can see the difference in these. Okay, you can see the one here at the bottom. That one's the HBIC, and then the one on top is the MVP color. HBIC away, because I think we want to wear the red, the MVP. And as I was hoping for a blue base red, or just overall beautiful red colors, this is a beautiful red. It is a beautiful red. Again, perfect applicator. To get your perfect outline. And this one I will double up on the application because I love a really opaque. And a lot of times when I'm doing my makeup in the morning, I would just put my lip color on and go for the day. For the most part, it pretty much lasts me throughout my workday. We all know red, blue-based reds make your teeth look whiter, so it looks good. I love the way it looks. Again, it feels really creamy. I initially went to Sephora to buy these, but they were out of stock. Yeah, so I purchased these from Ulta for $29. I'm not the one to hop on the train every time something new comes out, but if there is something I'm interested in, I would definitely get it. And I'm not really in the market for new red lipsticks, but once I saw that they were velvet, I wanted to give it a try. I don't have any velvet liquid lipsticks in my collection, so I wanted to give those a try. Still feels very creamy. I did get a little bit of transfer on my teeth, but so far it wears really comfortable. Now I'm not gonna check back in. A lot of times when I do reviews, I like to check back in after work. However, I want to go ahead and film this video for you guys and get it out for you within the same day. But what I will do is update, and whatever my next video will be, I will update you guys to let you know how it wore throughout the day. But for right now, let's go ahead. Looks like there are 5 colors available. All right, okay, let's go to Fenty Beauty. Okay, so again, there are 5 colors, and I actually wouldn't mind getting this last one, which is Breadwinner. Okay, so the first color is Sweetheart, which is right here. And then we have Riri. And we have the MVP, HBIC. Next color, and I actually wouldn't mind getting this last one, which is Breadwinner. They do have where you can try them on, and I'm not sure, so on screen it does look a little bit more reddish orange, but in person here it definitely looks like a blue base red. All right guys, so let me know which color, even the colors that I tried on, which color is your favorite color out of all of them? And let me know, drop that comment down below. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. So thank you guys again for joining me. So if you're not following me on Instagram, give your girl a follow on Instagram and TikTok at LRH Makeup, and also my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right guys, until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence.